Welcome to the Bare Metal Cyber CISSP Prepcast. This series helps you prepare for the ISC Squared CISSP exam with focused explanations and practical context. Today's episode addresses something that many candidates quietly fear, but that some ultimately experience: not passing the CISSP exam on the first try. If that happens to you, what should you do? First, don't panic. This episode is here to help you turn a setback into a setup for success. We'll walk through the emotional side of the experience, how to interpret your results, what steps to take next, and how to come back stronger. Many successful cybersecurity professionals have stood exactly where you may be now, and they overcame it. You can too. Let's begin with acknowledging your results. Failing the CISSP exam can feel deeply disappointing, especially after investing so much time and energy into your preparation. And that's okay. It's normal to feel frustrated, but don't stay stuck in that emotion for long. Take a short break if you need to, but then start shifting your mindset toward action. The truth is, failure is not a reflection of your overall potential. It simply means your preparation and exam execution weren't aligned well enough this time. Many people who now hold high-level certifications and roles failed on their first attempt. What separated them was persistence, reflection, and a willingness to improve. By treating this result as feedback, not finality, you lay the groundwork for a stronger second attempt. Now let's talk about analyzing your performance. After receiving your score report, take a close look at the domain breakdown. These results will show you which areas need improvement. Maybe you struggled with identity and access management, or maybe security assessment and testing was lower than expected. Whatever the case, your score report gives you a targeted starting point for future study. Next, reflect on your overall experience. Was time a problem? Were you guessing more toward the end due to stress? Were there types of questions that consistently tripped you up? Think critically about what went wrong, but do so without judgment. This analysis is not about blame, it's about clarity. You might even consider talking to a mentor or study partner about your experience. Sometimes another perspective can reveal blind spots or patterns you may have missed. Once you understand what happened, it's time to revise your study strategy. Start by focusing on the weaker domains from your feedback. These will be the foundation of your new preparation plan. Consider switching or supplementing your materials. If you studied mostly from one book, try adding another resource, using practice question banks or watching video walkthroughs. Different formats can provide new angles and improve retention. Also, begin taking practice exams under real conditions. Set a timer, remove distractions, simulate the actual exam format as closely as you can. The more comfortable you are with that environment, the more confident you'll be next time. Set milestones, break your preparation into weekly goals, and track your progress. This structured approach ensures you don't lose momentum or direction. For additional CISSP resources, proven cybersecurity training, and bestseller certification preparation materials, please visit cyberauthor.me. Access everything you need to enhance your study plan and confidently pass your next CISSP exam attempt. Next, let's address what happened on exam day. Your score report only tells part of the story. Think back to how you felt during the test. Did you start strong but lose steam halfway through? Did anxiety or fatigue creep in? Exam day performance can affect your score just as much as your knowledge. Practice calming techniques like deep breathing, positive visualization, or even short pre-test meditations. These simple habits can significantly reduce stress. You should also refine your time management. Don't let one tough question derail your pace. Use the 1 to 2 minute rule. If you're stuck, eliminate the obvious wrong answers, make your best choice, and move on. Adaptive practice exams are especially useful here. They mimic the real test environment and help you develop a rhythm. The more familiar you are with how the test flows, the less rattled you'll feel by it. Remember, most people don't struggle with knowledge, they struggle with strategy and nerves. Strengthen both, and your performance will follow. Staying positive after a failed attempt is hard, but absolutely essential. Treat this experience as part of your learning curve. You didn't fail, You gathered data. You now know what to expect. You understand the pressure. That puts you in a much better position than someone taking it for the first time. Set a new goal. Frame it as a comeback story. Remind yourself why you want the CISSP. Is it career growth, recognition, mastery? Whatever your motivation is, reconnect with it. Surround yourself with support. Join study groups, online forums, or even local chapters of CISSP. Sharing your journey with others can be incredibly motivating and reassuring. And most importantly, don't isolate. Talk about your experience, ask for help, and keep your vision clear. Many of the most respected leaders in cybersecurity have stories of failure behind their success. You're in good company. Now let's look at planning your retake strategy. First, don't rush. Give yourself time to rebuild your preparation thoughtfully. Take at least 30 days, or more, depending on your exam feedback and personal schedule. Use this time to strengthen weak areas and reinforce what you already know. Build a preparation calendar. Schedule study blocks, plan practice tests, and include review sessions. Track your performance over time. Don't just study hard, study smart. Focus on efficiency and effectiveness. Use new tools, switch up your approach, and stay flexible. Regular check-ins will help you see progress and stay motivated. Also, reach out to others who've passed after a failed attempt. Ask what worked for them. Find mentors who can guide your approach. There is no shame in asking for help. In fact, seeking support is often what makes the difference in a successful retake. Thanks for joining us for this episode of the Bare Metal Cyber CISSP Prepcast. For more episodes, expert study resources, and personalized support to succeed in your CISSP retake, visit baremetalcyber.com. Remember, a setback is just preparation for your comeback. Stay positive, focused, and persistent. You've got this. We'll see you in the next episode.